You see, violence is everywhere, and particularly in Manipur also, it has reduced like anything. You are right. It has going through the last 14 months, but even though thus the actual crisis, violence taken place half of the months, means out of 14 months, the violence was, I calculated yesterday itself, it is only 6-7 months. Means another 7-8 months were very peaceful. Schools are opening, business establishments are opening. Everything is opening in the state of Manipur. But in some pocket, due to the prevailing violence, disturbance is there, no doubt. But slowly, due to the lack of security personnel, there was some small incident in the part of GD and some part of the state. But now, those forces which were left for the election duty has come back, and we have deployed in the vulnerable areas, and now I think situation will be come down.
Do you really think somebody or someone has been instigating to continue the violence?
Really, you know that yes, the day before yesterday itself, the Indian representative in the United Nations Security Council has clearly defined that the unrest in the northeast of India is due to the influx and drugs menace from the outside. So it shows indicates the clear, the root of the present crisis. So after knowing the details and after knowing the root, treatment will be very easy.
Okay. There was a high security meeting chaired by the Union Home Minister. I think something has been transpired in order to resolve this issue. Was there any sort of communication in that and to control the issue?
You see, after forming the third term of the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, the Manipur violence has been included on top priority to bring peace in the state of Manipur, and accordingly, Honorable Union Home Minister has taken up the high-level security meetings from all the agencies, and he is collecting everything. Then the action plan will be definitely come up, and I hope at earliest within these 2-3 months some solution will be definitely